Good morning. As we have become accustomed to, this morning it is our celebration assembly. But it is also another very, very important day, which I would just like to dwell upon for a moment. Tomorrow, the 10th of October, is World Mental Health Day. And a charity called Young Minds decided that it would be an excellent idea if today, being the 9th, schools had the opportunity to take part in Hello Yellow, which is designed to raise awareness of mental health issues amongst young people. I've spoken to a couple of year groups this week about our mental well-being, and it is something that has particularly come to light during the period of lockdown, when young people have felt isolated, away from their friends, and have understandably found it quite difficult. Indeed, we can see here at school that a number of our young children have found it, one, difficult to be away from school, and two, quite tricky coming back into the school environment where there have been so many changes. And I explained to year one yesterday that if someone is hurt on the outside, if they fall over, if they cut their knee, we can see it, we understand it. But if someone is suffering on the inside, if someone is hurt or worried about something, we cannot see that. And the message that I give to all pupils is, don't suffer in silence. If you are worried about something, about anything, then the first thing you must do is share that worry, talk about that worry, and the second thing that you must do is embrace the support that will be on offer always. And it's times when we discuss such matters that what springs to mind above all else is the importance of our family, and here at school, our friends. And friendship is such a vital part of what goes on here every single day. So I encourage you today, perhaps more than any other day, to be there for each other, to support each other. And if you are worried or concerned about anything at all, then the message is clear. It is much, much easier once you have shared a problem. A problem shared is a problem halved, and then you will find that your friends, your family, and all the staff here at school are on hand to support you and make things easier for you. Perhaps more than ever, we have got to be there for each other at this moment in time. And so today, to recognise the Young Minds initiative, mental health awareness, particularly amongst young people, I sincerely hope you have all dressed in your yellow. Hello Yellow. I have been accused over the years of not perhaps entering the spirit when it comes to non-uniform days, or wearing particular colours, or wearing particular clothes to support charity, and I have been accused of taking myself rather too seriously in not embracing that. So I can only apologise. And now we come on to our celebrations of success. And I'd like to start this morning by celebrating a cricketing success. As you are well aware, I'm always absolutely delighted when you bring in trophies and awards to show me, and Akbar A brought in a cricket trophy, and what impressed me most about it was the fact that he described exactly why he was awarded it. He was awarded it by Warmley Cricket Club for bowling, and went through his repertoire and talked to me about bowling in swing to right-handed batsmen and attacking the stumps, which is of course away swing to left-handed batsmen to try and snaffle some catches by the wicketkeeper and the slips. And it was extremely refreshing to hear a bowler who actually has a plan. I have played a lot of first 11 cricket at club level and beyond, and believe me, Akbar, I have played cricket with an awful lot of bowlers at a very high level who have absolutely no plan whatsoever. So congratulations to you. And now we come to our commendations this week, and I have to say we have had a huge amount of commendations. Lovely to see that you're all back into the swing of things, and I'm always, as you know, delighted to see the work that comes my way. So what we're doing is this. I'm going to hand out some commendations this morning, but I will then be handing some commendations out to more senior boys in Monday's assembly. So hold fire, you won't be disappointed. Commendations will be coming your way, but as for today, I'll be handing out commendations in years 1 to 4. So, commendations in year 1. Edward P, Saren S and Uchi A, all for drama, which is very nice to see. Well done to you. In year 2, Zahi A for reading, Yaya for maths, and some absolutely super maths work that was, Max M for maths, Zion S for maths, Cameron H for maths, Ishan I for science, and Yaya B for maths. Well done. In year 3, we have commendations this week for Aranveer G for enrichment, and also for enrichment Etan M, Isa A and Joshua R. And a commendation in English for Bajveer R. And finally for year 3, Alexia commendation. Had a lovely chat with this individual earlier this week. Alexia commendation goes to Konstantin VW. And finally for this morning, some art commendations in year 4. Congratulations to Joseph H, Roman D, Manveer B, Avigna G, Joan M, Taddy M, Yusuf T, Abdullah A and Ibrahim K. Well done to you all.